Hello online community. Please release to watch yourself cooking a crab hot pot. First, to have the pot of water as you are watching. The first thing to do is you take the onion and oil to fragrant, then cut the tomatoes into the display and then filter the crabs or finely chopped in and out. Saucepan and water is balanced for the number of people eating. As I do, I will prepare 500 grams of sliced beef, 300 grams of small intestine of pig, cleanly cleansed, lemon and salt and cut into long sections with the index finger, 2 pieces of tofu cut pieces, 400 grams of water, spinach, 500 grams of vegetables, lettuce, banana flour, cilantro, perilla, oregano. Wash well together. How is done hot pot crab aromatic hot pot. Please invite the whole family only.